Yeah, they're gonna circle. I got it. Fuck it. Let them land. No, when they turn, take them. Take them.
Did you get one?
Yeah, I got one.
Good shit. Good shit.
I thought they were gonna land. I was gonna let them land, and then I seen them just keep on taking off. I have to come back. Let them do their thing. They're looking. They're mallards. Take them. Good fucking shot.
We shot about at the same time. Did you get him or I get him?
No, I shot just right after you.
It was a fucking big...
It took off.
No, okay.
Dude, you got a can.
No, that was yours. I seen when you shot it.
Was it? Oh yeah, that was that last one that came in, wasn't it? It's shadow grass, ain't it?
Yeah, it'll match perfectly.
I was gonna say we might not even have to like blend
Brush
it in.
much.
Maybe just grab some brush through over the top. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Make some holes in it.
No, it matches this perfectly. This pattern.
Yeah, I think right here we just do this whole
turn,
right
this whole
here.
thing. Alright,
So
cool.
what I noticed yesterday when we go to throw out the decoys, just like spray them out. Like it doesn't have to be. They weren't like there were so many ducks. They weren't even clobbed up. They were just spread out. That way ducks can land in our spread. You know what I'm saying? Okay. You know, like we usually block them up and try to force them into one spot. We're just going to spread them out and make them just land wherever they want. Try to make our decoys look like there's more than just that. Okay. Oh yeah. Cool. You guys are cool with that?
Yeah.
You guys got any ideas?
No, I mean you're the one solved.
Dude, there were so many. I was like, I don't even know how to set this up. Other than just throw decoys out. I was waiting for you to shoot. Oh my god. Dude, it's fall.
See the goods? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Watch him just jet out.
He's coming back. He's coming back. You see him, Colton? Look through your left window. He's that direction. Yeah.
His work.
I don't see him either. Okay, that's not what I meant. I meant. Oh, it's above us. I knew.
He's above us.
He looks like that Derek call.
There he is right there. See him there?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's coming down. Get ready, Colton. Get ready. Coming your way. Look through your left window.
I'm looking, I see him.
Okay.
Shut up, Derek. Don't even talk to me.
This is Phil Robertson here. Calling shots and missing shots.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Wait a minute. I just want to clarify that was not a shot at Phil Robertson. I'm sure he's a good shot. I'm not. Take him, Mason. Take him. There's a big group over the mountain. I can't tell. He's landing in our spread. Get ready.
Did he land?
No, not yet.
I don't think our spread went out that
Yeah, yeah, he's coming. Get ready. Everybody get ready. Ethan. Listen, now you listen.
Here he goes. He's landing in our spread.
I look over at Bray and I'm like, hey, watch Derek's gun when he's getting excited. It's going like this.
Yes, I know. I saw the whole thing. Yeah, we made it. Fuck you guys. I'm setting my gun down.
Whoa, your gun is flapping everywhere. You know.
Yeah, but mine's bottom lands.
What do you think mine is? Upper lands?
Desert
Yes,
land?
I do think it's upper lands. Up here, doing this.
Touche. Alright, take it.
I'm shooting anyways. Got them up.
Did you get it?
Hell no. It's a Derek called shot. I popped up. I'm shooting.
I'm learning.
I'll take one BB.
Do they have what are those books for dummies? Shot calling for dummies? Can I read that?
What happened this morning, BP?
Got stuck in a lot of mud.
Yeah.
Missed the early flight because
You were stuck in the mud.
stuck in the mud. Had to pull a bunch of decoys forever, a long walk. But then we got into some birds flying in, set up an A-frame, and then we ended up just sleeping on the ground basically.
While killing ducks.
Yeah, while killing ducks. Colton got canvasbacks.
Drake Widgeon.
Yeah, got Drake Widgeon. It's very rare where we're from. Nobody limited out or anything, but it was
It was a good time.
really cool. Yeah, we had a lot of laughs. A lot of us are very exhausted from doing the same thing all week, but we're getting there. It's almost to the end, sadly, but yeah, we'll keep it going.
What do you have to stop and get, BP?
Starbucks. My God, why do you get so close? Oh, and a new phone.
Yeah, tell them what happened there.
This morning, Derek King decided to get stuck in mud with the decoys. Terrible mud. Terrible mud. Super deep. And so while I was helping get out of that situation, my phone dropped and went all the way down in the mud. And the battery basically destroyed itself. So yeah, I had to get a new phone on this
How long
trip.
did you spend at AT&T?
Like 3 hours.
2. It was 2.
Was it 2?
Yeah.
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 That grass maybe, I can see it.
Stand up.
They're coming my way.
They're coming?
Yeah.
Alright, just wait then. I want to video it.
Get them on. You want them?
You gonna stand up?
You want them?
Yeah. Shoot it.
3 for 3?
That's how you go 3 for 3. You too, 3 for 3.
What are you doing, Ethan?
Sorting these decoys out. It's our last day. I think the boys, Mason and Colton and Bray, may just head home. I think me and Derek might try to hunt again before we head home. So thought it'd be a good time to sort these decoys out.
We're exhausted.
See whose is whose, so we know what to take. Make it a little easier when we get home.
What all we killed this morning?
Killed a bufflehead, canvasback. Seems like that's all North Dakota has is canvasbacks. Some gabwall were killed. I think that was it.
Yeah.
I think that was it. Got them all cut up, packaged. Got us some meat for the freezer. It's been a good trip. I'm ready to be in a tree stand.
Me too.
Relax a little bit. So hopefully the deer pick up when we get home. Cameras are starting to pick up. One of our buddies, Dalton, he killed a giant. That film should be coming out. So stay tuned for that.
Mason, what are we doing right now at 11 o'clock?
Heading home. We had a hell of a week. It was a blast. I unfortunately have been sick all week, but I got up every day and went out with the guys. I wanted to make the most of it, and we had a blast either way. So we decided instead of waiting until in the morning to head home, we're just going to leave now, drive throughout the night. We're just going to take shifts and try to get back to Ohio at a decent time tomorrow night. So that's what we're doing. We're heading back home.
I knew. Oh, it's above.
I knew.
He's above. We're home, BP.
That hurt.
Yes, it hurt. Actually. We're home, BP.
Let's go.
I was 24 hours in a truck, and I'm still sick.
That brain sick. Assholes been talking.
Dude.
Come on.